Hello, All Stars. It's Mrs. Graham. It's time for our number corner. Let's see what's on our calendar for Tuesday, October 26th. We've had a lot going on with our calendar. We were surprised yesterday to find out we were back to acorns. So we had 3 cards with apples, 3 cards with leaves, 4 cards with acorns and chestnuts, and we have 4 cards with pumpkin and zucchini. And we were back to apples with 5 apples, 5 leaves. I wonder what we're going to see on this next card. What do you think it'll be? Will it be more acorns or a different thing? Let's find out. Whoa! We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 acorns and 1 chestnut. Wow. Let's think of a number story to go along with it. Can you think of one? So we had 10 things all together. We had 9 acorns and 1 chestnut. We had 10 nuts in the garden. There were 9 acorns. How many chestnuts did we have? Now I'm going to change my story. I said we had 10, and I'll put 10 acorns and chestnuts in the garden. There were 9 acorns. How many chestnuts do we have? Now, I'm changing the number story a little bit. I said we have 10 all together. There were 9 acorns. So how many chestnuts would we have? If we had 10 all together and 9 of them were acorns. You're right. If you said the number 1, I want you to see that. 10 minus 9 equals the number 1. Great job, All Stars. Let's continue on. We're going to add another day in school. So we'll add another day that we've been in school. Wow, it's amazing how time is just really going by. That's 38 days now. 38 days, and I'm going to change our things now. I'm going to write the number 38, but this time I am going to make a math equation that equals 38. So I'm going to say 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8 equals that 38. Can you think of a math equation that equals 38? You can pause the video right now and write down your math equation. Once you're finished, hurry back. All right, now that we are back to our information. We are going to add on another pattern block for the day. Wow, we have a lot in our collection. Let's add on 2 hexagons today. Whoa! We have quite a bit. And at the end of the week, we'll count and see how many we have all together. I want you to think about at this time, how can we make the number 10? Ooh, let's try something different today. What if we had 6? 6 plus what would give us the number 10? 6 plus what? Do you know? We had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we had 6, how many more links would we have to put on here to equal 10? We have 6. Let's see if we can add on from that 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we counted, how many boxes would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just learned 6 plus 4 equals 10. Great job. I'm going to pull another, and I want you to tell me 5 plus what will equal 10? Can you think of it? Did you say 5 plus 5? Yes! Amazing. Amazing, All-Stars. Let's do one more. This is the one I want to leave you with today. 3 plus what will equal 10? I want you to use your number rack. You can use your cubes. Use a tool that will help you get to that answer. 3 plus what will equal 10? Off you go. Have a great day.